Fourth video of the day. Here we go. If you're wondering how to film a whole month's worth of videos in less than 2 hours, I'm gonna share my entire process and how to do just that today. Being consistent with uploading on YouTube is the key to growth on YouTube, right? I spent the first 6 years of being on YouTube being completely inconsistent and posting here and there and once a month and then once every day for a whole week and then once every day for a whole month, and then I got exhausted and overwhelmed, started other businesses that I couldn't keep up with it, and then I went like a whole 6 months without posting anything, and now I'm back. And it's my goal for 2021 to be consistent and upload a video every week. It still causes me anxiety to say that out loud. But I want my business to grow, and I also want to grow as a business owner that shows up consistently and does what she says she's gonna do. For 6 years, I wasn't consistent. I didn't have the right mindset. I didn't have a set routine. And even now, as a mom of a 7-year-old who is doing distance learning during a pandemic, yes, we're still distance learning. And I have a 10-month-old, and I'm running a nonprofit, and I have a video editing business, and I'm doing all that on my own. Having a plan and routine is absolutely key. I am making it happen, and so can you, friend. Comment below if you're ready to make it happen, and smash the like button if you're ready to learn. Tip number 1, schedule it in. Now, in my last video, I talked about how to make your filming process faster and more efficient, and I talked about how I schedule in my filming days. Guys, honest to good, is this Girl Scouts or I think this is Boy Scouts. Is this Girl Scouts? Oh my gosh. If you have a Girl Scout, please tell me 3 or 4 fingers down below, because it's been a really long time since I was Girl Scout. But Scouts Honor, I legit only film 1 day a month. I pick 1 day. I schedule it in with my husband. He is upstairs right now with my 2 little girls, entertaining them, feeding them, keeping them alive, and I am downstairs locked in my basement. And I'm actually enjoying this time by myself. Schedule it in, call a babysitter. If you're like me and you hate spending money on those things, you feel so guilty for even spending money on somebody else watching your kids, call an aunt, uncle, grandma, grandpa, friend. Make a play date with your kids' friends and have them go over to the friend's house and then return the favor to the mom that is now watching your kids. Schedule it in, make it work. It's hard. It's hard being a mom and running a business at the same time. I've been doing this for 8 years and I still don't know how I do it. It's survival, to be honest. It feels like that. But if you're making your business a priority, if you want YouTube to be part of your business and that's important to you, then make time for it. You can make time. Get up an hour earlier, go to bed an hour later, make it work. Tip number 2, have a routine. So you have this day that you schedule once a month for filming, okay? Have a routine on that day. Look forward to that routine. I actually look forward to doing my makeup. It's kind of fun for me. I only do it once a month, to be honest with you. I also really like making my hair look good and get dressed. Put on a bra, okay? Get ready and then set up wherever you're going to film for the day and put up your lights. Maybe your lighting is just a window. Make your backdrop look nice. Pick up whatever's in the background. Shove things in the dishwasher, hide things, okay? just hide them. When I set up everything, I'm like, yes, Let's do this. I got this. I'm gonna film 1 billion videos today, and it's the only day I have to do it. And for me, it's the only day I get to do it. So you're all ready, everything is set up, you press record, you record the video. Now in between each video, I actually take breaks. I have a fancy dancy mirrorless camera. Now this camera I have saved up. I have saved up for this amazing, beautiful Canon thing that is in front of me, and I love it so much. This has been on my radar for many years. But you do not have to start with a Canon. All you need is a smartphone. If you have absolutely no idea how to even film really good quality videos on a phone, because it is possible, my friend, I have a free guide available to you in the description box below that is all about filming seamless videos. And there's a tip in there if you're filming on a phone that will blow your mind. So since I do have a camera that has a separate battery that needs to be charged, I take out that battery after every single video. I take it out and I plug it in on the wall so it charges, gives me more battery life to film longer, right? So as that's charging, I take a little break. Sometimes I even film reels for my Instagram in between videos for YouTube. I tell you, I go all out when I have one day to film. I just go for it. This is my problem if I film on a phone, I ran out of space. I just do not have enough space to begin with on my phone, and I always run out of space. So what I would suggest if you're filming on a phone is dropping all of your files from your phone that you just filmed and putting them on a laptop or computer. Doing that will give you more space to free up on your phone, so you delete that footage on your phone, you're putting it on your laptop, so you have more space by deleting those and putting them on your, don't forget to put them on your laptop, friend, okay? Don't lose your footage, I've done it before. You will hate yourself for doing it. Charge your devices, free up some space, and then get back into it. So for my next tip, it actually kind of goes along with taking the breaks. Between filming separate videos, I change my outfit and earrings. You know, maybe it just makes me feel better or make me feel mentally like refreshed to film a new video in a new outfit. I don't know, a new jewelry, like I don't know, it makes me feel refreshed and ready to go for the next filming. But it also makes people think that it's a new day, it's a new video. It's refreshing for your viewers too, that you're not just wearing the same shirt for the entire month. But this is also a really good time to take a break and move around and walk around your house and change and refresh your makeup or whatever you want to do. Maybe you want to change your hair and put it up in a ponytail or something. I rarely get to wear my hair down because I have a 10-month-old and she constantly pulls it. So I enjoy having my hair down for once. Here's another thing that I do. I actually make myself like a smoothie and I sip it as I'm going. You know, have a snack, have a bar, have something in between. If you're feeling hungry, if you need some more energy, like just take breaks. Take breaks, change your clothes, move around, charge your battery, make some space, and get back into the next video. You might be thinking, how does she do this in 2 hours? How is that even possible? Well, if you go and watch my last video, as I said before, I share a tip about outlining your videos and planning ahead of time and writing everything down. This is also really important for batch filming because it makes the process quicker, right? It makes you more efficient and it keeps you from blabbing on. So my videos, I usually end up recording, you might be surprised by this, but I usually end up recording like 25 minutes is usually my average like filming like raw video time of footage that I get from each video, and it always condenses down to 10 minutes or less. Honestly, I don't know how I do it, but I usually have, here, this is my notes. I'm just gonna show you. This is my amount of notes for my video. It's just like a palm's worth of text on my laptop, just like a palm's worth from here to here on my laptop of notes, and it's always just 10 minutes. It's pretty cool. But just to give you that idea, like it's 20 to 25 minutes of filming. I'm filming 4 videos, 1 video per week, and it always adds up to just like 2 hours. Even with all my changes, with all of my short breaks, like my breaks are less than 5 minutes. They're usually like 2-3 minutes. I go upstairs, change my clothes, come back down, and during those 3 minutes, I am charging my battery. It's not a lot of time, but it is enough for the next video. That's just how I roll. I don't know. Now, the first time that you batch film, is it going to be 2 hours? Oh, heck no. But I will tell you, if you're just starting out on your YouTube channel and you're overwhelmed, like hyperventilating, like I do sometimes, about like, oh my gosh, I have to film a video for each week, like a video every week. It is totally like over my head. How can I do that? Da 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 da. Deep breaths. You don't have to do a video every week. It's okay. I've been doing this for 6 years and I am ready. I am at a point where I want to do my videos all in one day, and I want to upload a video every week because it keeps me feeling like I'm on top of things. It makes me feel put together. I don't know how to explain it. It makes me feel powerful. It makes me feel like I'm a really powerful woman, and I don't know, I really like filming videos. Call me crazy. But if all you got is 2 hours a month, start with 1 or 2 videos at a time. You will get faster, you will become more efficient. And I just choose to batch film because I am a mom and I am running a business. And I don't have a lot of time to film. I just don't. Do what you can, friend. Do what you can. As long as you show up, that is more than enough. If you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe if you want to hear more about making YouTube videos and showing up powerfully on camera and in your business. And then comment below with any video requests you have for me, and I will see you in the next one. Go spread some happy.